drag off. Go ahead and, yep, mix them in. Real. Get that rod bent. That was a fantastic fish, dude. Okay, back up. Open me up. Back up. Back up over here to the left. Real. And up. Fish in that. Okay, July, I think 9th, is it today? July 9th, right?
It's the 10th.
Oh, it's the 10th day, July 10th, I'm behind today. We're in Prince William Sound here, just set up some pots. I just brought my boat out to put it in the slip and decided to try for a couple kings just outside the bay, and 2 in the box already, 10 minutes. So before I even had a chance to turn the camera on. Now, we'll see if we can't get the big one. We got a couple of nice little ones in the boat. I'm trolling white today on both sides, kind of a variation of white and cop car, and just trolling some kind of old brined herring. I didn't do anything special, just for some reason we're on fish right now and it's only like 3 o'clock. So here we go, hopefully we can get a nice big one. What? Left rod. Pick it up. Okay, he's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, whoa. Stop. Over the top. Over the top and to the back here. Okay. I'm fine. Keep that rod tip up. Might have to take it out of gear for this one. We're doing good. We're doing excellent. Keep it in gear or out. Okay, I've got to push it. Yeah, I'm going to fish on it. Okay, Dad? Yeah. Keep going where you are, because that one's still taking line. Keep them in gear. Oh, right side got hit, Dad. Okay, out of gear. We all need to play a fish right now. Triple. Get on that right rod. Yep, I'm going. Get on that right rod. It just peeled off. It's coming at you. Real. Still on there? Yep. Okay, I got a little one. Okay. Okay, where are you guys at?
Mine might have got off.
You're good.
No, I still got it.
Okay, keep them in the water. Keep them in the water. Okay, I've got the net. I'm just gonna do this whip it. Still got him, Dad?
Still got him.
Left. Okay, now come back at me, swing her over. Okay, there's one. There's 2. Woo!
Yeah!
Triple on the troublemaker.
Great job, guys.
Nope, not looking. One's gonna peel off and hit it like a rocket.
Your ear is just so empty.
Mine? Yeah. Well, I can hear those downriggers going. And the rods pop off. Sometimes they don't even pop it. When I look over and I see the rod bit bounces, I hear it. There's one. Fish on.
Put her down.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a real good one. This is my fish.
Okay.
Fish on left side. Mom, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Reel. Okay, Dad, you're gonna have to shut her down, and we're gonna crank these downriggers in. Okay, crank the left downrigger in.
Yep.
Long haul up. I don't know. I'm crossing you, I think. Oh, where's the line? Oh, they both got the same fish.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, mine's over there. Whoa! Mom, go get that one. That's a good fish there. Get on him, get on him, get on him. Go, 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 go. Okay, that's a nice fish. Yeah, he's just staying down. Good. Here he comes. Okay, he's over there now. Hey Mom, could you turn the wheel to the right? Oh, there he goes. Now he's running again. It's a good fish. He is wanting to stay down. Here he comes. Left. No. Oh yeah, nice fish. Point that. Good job. Nice. All right. Good fish. Hook just popped right out of him too. And I kept a little tension on him. Nice, just one of the day.